Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a feedback form in Google Forms. Now, once you are on the Google Forms dashboard, you can actually click here on the template gallery. And if you scroll down here under work, you'll see event feedback. Okay, so you can actually click on this, or you can also click on customer feedback. Let me actually open this one and show you what it looks like. This is different from the other one. I'll actually show you both. So you can take any of these and customize them. Okay. So this is feedback type, what they are basically giving feedback on, and it'll give their feedback in a long answer text. Okay. And submit their email. They'll give their name and also suggestions for improvement. So this is one where they're giving, verbal feedback. The other one is where we're using linear scales to rate the event. So for example, if I open this one, of course you can change the image and everything here. Okay, it's very easy to do that. So let's say you want to change this header image, right? You click here on customize theme, and there you go. Header has this image uploaded. I can remove that and choose my own image. I can also choose from their preset images they have, or upload my own, or search for photos. So let's say it was a wedding event. We can select this one, okay, or anything else. Click on insert, and that's how you change your image. You can edit the text here, the description. So these are linear scales. So I click on this, let me show you. This is what you select, right? So the scale of a 1 would be not very much, and as it moves on up to 5, it will be very much satisfied. So if you want to add your own questions, you just come here, click on add a question, and type in your question, right? And you can add options. So for linear scale, you just choose linear scale right here. So label 1 would be, let's say, not very. Okay. And then option 5 was very much. Okay, we can set that. Now let's make this a required question. Anything here with the asterisk is a required question. Okay. So basically they have to answer this. So we can type in the question, how satisfied were you with the food? Okay, that's a question we have in a linear scale. So if I click out of it, you will see what it would look like. They come here and just choose the answer. So these are all linear scales. This is a Likert scale, as you can see. Okay, you can also set these up. So the way to set these up, you choose the multiple choice grid and you select it as such. So they choose an answer for each row. Okay. And then you can add short answer tags. Okay. Multiple choice as well. Your name. This is optional unless they want to remain anonymous. But that's how you do it, guys. You can utilize the templates and get going much faster. Of course, you can easily come here and duplicate these. Okay. And just change the question for ease of speed. Really that easy and simple.